The best rechargeable lanterns for indoor and outdoor use. The best rechargeable lanterns of modern days have effectively replaced traditional glass lanterns that are difficult to use. These lanterns are a good backup light source for a camping trip or a power outage at home. They are simple to operate, portable, and rechargeable, thus eliminating the need for additional batteries. A rechargeable lantern also provides enough light to light up your entire tent and aid visibility during emergencies. These lanterns are sturdy and long-lasting. This post includes a list of rechargeable lanterns and their features to assist you in choosing the right one. Number 1. Best Versatile. LuminAID Solar Camping Lantern and Phone Supercharger. This versatile, portable, compact lantern functions as a solar-powered phone supercharger, camping lantern, and backup battery. With 300 lumens of LED light, various brightness settings, an emergency flashing mode, and a turbo mode, it provides up to 50 hours of light on a full charge, making it perfect for camping. What we like: waterproof and shatterproof, long battery life, illuminates 300 SQ, feed area, lightweight, recharges in 24 to 30 hours in direct sunlight and 4 hours through a USB cable. What we don't like: the strap might be a little flimsy, might be smaller than expected. Number 2. Best Durable. Streamlight 44947 Super Siege Lantern. A rechargeable lantern made of tough polycarbonate thermoplastic with elastomer over mold that makes it stand steady on slippery surfaces and also float when dropped in water. It has a rubber base that provides stability and rubber cover to protect USB ports. It is equipped with a removable polycarbonate cover that provides even 360 degrees light distribution. What we like: 1100 lumens lights and can last up to 5.75 hours. Can charge mobile phones via USB cable. 5C4 power LEDs that operate in 6 modes. Single on-off button, a battery level indicator, small storage compartment at the base of the lamp. What we don't like: green light may overpower the red light, may not be as easily portable. Number 3. Best with brightness adjustment. Tough Light LED Rechargeable Lantern. The Tough Light Rechargeable LED Lantern has 3 basic light settings of low, medium, and high that provide light progressively from 40 to 400 lumens. It is made of military-grade rubber and plastic molds that can withstand a drop from 5 feet. The versatile lantern contains 2 USB cables that can be used to charge mobile phones. What we don't like: built-in hook and an additional utility hook. Lightweight and waterproof. 6 lighting modes including INSOS mode. 6000 mAh battery that holds the charge for 9 months. What we don't like: may get dimmer over time. Phone chargers may not be long-lasting. Number 4. Best Drop-Proof. Nite Radiant Lantern for Camping. The 400 lumen lantern brightens your surroundings for 800 hours with its 3D cell batteries. There is a carabiner clip installed in the lantern, which could also be used as a handle to hang the lantern with ease. It comes with a sheer diffusing carry bag, which could also work as a diffuser, and has 3 brightness modes of 400, 170, 30 lumen. With this portable and lightweight lantern, your campsite would be well lit. What we like: weather resistant, long battery life, high efficiency of lumen per hour, easy to handle, durable and drop proof. What we don't like: might not seem bright enough when placed at a height. Brightness may reduce with long hours of use. Number 5. Best Impact Resistant. UST Duro Lantern. This battery-powered lantern features 5 modes including low, medium, high, SOS flashing, and amber candle flicker. The collapsible lantern has a foldable hook and handle on the base for hanging and a detachable globe with a power button. This lantern also has 1000 lumen LED that provides a runtime of 30 days at the low power mode, 30 hours at medium, and 12 hours at the high power mode. The outer body of the lantern is made from rubber to offer resistance against breakage through impact. The lantern weighs only 1.9 pounds and measures 7.2 by 3.75 inches. What we like: durable, long-lasting, compatible with AA and D adapter rechargeable batteries, easy to carry, water resistant. What we don't like: might not seem bright enough to some. The battery cap may not align well with the base. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.